So you can now make a video clone of yourself using AI. I mean, it sounds pretty cool, right? But should we be worried?
I know I'd be worried if I were you.
Let's face it, when most of us think of the future, we think of scenes like this. Text-to-video avatars is just one example of a tidal wave of generative AI flooding the digital landscape. And I find it a little bit terrifying, but also rather cool. So in this video, I'm creating my own clone in my likeness using a platform called HeyGen.
So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the digital unknown. Let's dive in.
Imagine being able to clone yourself, be in multiple places all at once, get more done, or just relax while your clones take care of everything. It's a concept that's been around for a while, but with the rapid advancements in AI and digital cloning technology, it's no longer just the stuff of science fiction.
My name is Josh, co-founder and CEO of Movio. Starting today, head over to www.heygen.com and find a fresh new place for all your creative needs.
So this is HeyGen, the website that I'm going to be using today to create my video avatar with.
HeyGen, or HeyGen, is one of two big providers of AI video generators, its main competitor being Synthesia, in an industry that, according to some estimates, could be worth over $500 billion by the end of the decade. So I'm now going to create a video avatar with my likeness using a company called HeyGen, which is one of a growing number of websites which specialise in this type of AI service. This is what it looks like. Now I've signed up to it. There are a few different packages. I've signed up for the creator one, which gives me around 180 credits per month, the number of generative videos I can make using my avatar likeness. And I believe that I can actually make 3 video avatars using this package that I'm on. I was going to use the free version, but having looked into it, it doesn't seem that you can create a video avatar using your own likeness with the free version anymore. But this is how it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on video avatar over on the left here, and I'm going to create instant avatar. So there's a video that automatically loads, but actually I want to use the text version of this because I'm making a video myself, and I prefer text instructions. So these are the instructions that it gives you. So recommended, submit 2 to 5 minutes of footage, use a high resolution camera. So I'm using a high resolution camera to film this video with. You can use a mobile phone. I'm using my Sony ZV-1. Record in a well-lit, quiet environment. Yep, tick. Look directly into the camera. Yep. Pause between each sentence with your mouth closed. Fair enough. Use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. Okay, so I've actually done all this already, and I've actually recorded something which I'm going to upload to the website in a second. And yeah, here we go. Upload footage, best quality. Record with the webcam, quick try. Basically, you're going to get a better result if you upload footage that you've pre-recorded in a controlled way. So I'm going to do that now. It takes me to upload via Google Drive, but I'm just going to browse local files because I do have it on my PC. And that's the video. And yep, for an optimal, more realistic avatar, please confirm your video meets these requirements. Your face is visible at all times. Check. There are pauses between sentences. Check. You're looking directly at the camera. Check. The environment is well lit and quiet. Check. Okay, my footage looks good. And optional, I allow HeyGen to use my footage to optimize future AI models. Go on then. My footage looks good. You're one step away. Record a consent. So this is where I need to basically give my consent that it's using my likeness. So I need to record a quick video reading the following script. Fair enough. You'll need to read a brief passcode in the end. Okay, so I'm going to start recording now. I, Tom Mann, hereby allow HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar for use on the HeyGen platform. For safety purposes, this is the passcode. Finish recording. We are validating your consent. This will take 10 to 20 seconds. All this consent business is making me slightly nervous. It's actually kind of off-putting because I think, well, what are the legal implications of all this? You know, are there going to be lots of Tom Manns that just crop up in the future? And that's one of the concerns about AI video avatars that I have, is that people can just use your likeness. I mean, what's really to stop me from uploading a video of a celebrity to this platform? I'm not going to try it, but I guess that would be possible. Okay, your consent is validated. I'm going to submit that now. Video is uploading. Okay, so this is going to take a few minutes, I'd imagine. Okay, your video has been uploaded. Okay, so it's saying my avatar is 1% ready. So now I guess it goes through a process of processing the video now it's been uploaded and generating my avatar. Okay, my instant avatar has uploaded. Congrats, your avatar is ready. Let's take a look.
Hey, Tom Mann, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, that was very stiff, but that was remarkable how my face moved, actually. That was quite impressive. Not too sure about the voice, but let's carry on. Okay, so create a new video from... Okay, let's do a landscape video. Okay, try new AI Studio. Fine. If I just play this now, it's got this auto-filled message to begin with.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Okay, so I've got a ready-made script. I'm just going to copy and paste. Basically, I have to submit it in order to create the avatar animation. Let's submit.
Hey there, fellow explorers of the digital frontier. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mind-bending world of AI cloning. That's right, we're talking about using cutting-edge technology like Synthesia and HeyGen to create virtual replicas of ourselves. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi flick, but guess what? It's happening right here, right now. From virtual news anchors to personalized marketing messages, the possibilities are mind-boggling. But hold on to your seats, because in this video, we're going beyond the surface. We'll explore the implications, the ethics, and yes, the sheer excitement of what AI cloning means for the future of content creation, communication, and beyond. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the digital unknown. Welcome to the era of AI cloning. Let's dive in.
Okay, so my thoughts on this are mixed. Let's start with the positive. The way my face is moving in relation to the words is very real. Okay, that's very impressive. It basically does look like it's been filmed with me. The voice is absolutely terrible. I mean, there's no way that I could make a video with this and expect it to hold together at all. It's just so wooden. What I would say is it makes me sound like the current British Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak, who, has this really strange robotic wooden way of speaking. And it makes me sound a bit like him. It doesn't really sound to my ears like that's my voice. And I think I can pay a little bit more to make it appear more like you. I would say the way it looks is very good. The way it sounds is just terrible. And I think anybody who makes videos knows that actually the audio is the most important bit of all. If you don't get that right, people are going to switch off your video very soon. So based on this experience, I don't think I've got anything to worry about anytime soon. Yeah, I've not got anything to worry about there. But it's a shame because it could have been useful. I could have created a lot of content, but I'm sorry, but that just doesn't pass the quality test. The voice is just so wooden and unengaging. It's just clearly robotic. But the way it looks is very good. But yeah, I don't think I'll be continuing my subscription beyond the initial month period.